Today we're going to use Legos to build the Chinese characters. So we have the baseboard. I got like 6 or 8 of them on Amazon for less than $20. So it's a pretty good investment for the Lego board, and also my kids like to build stuff on there as well, while we're not using to build the characters. So we are using the numbers again because they're very easy for beginning learners. This will be really interesting for the kids. It's not so hard to have lots of strokes to build their confidence, to build the Chinese characters. So first word we're going to work on is number 1. It's E. This one's E. It's 1 E. This one's R. It's 2. It's R. This one's San. San is 3. San. This one's 4. 4. It's 4. Sorry, this one's 4. It's 4. 4. And next one is 5. It's 5. 5. It's a 5. Next one, 6. 6 is 6. 6 is 6. 7. 7 is 7. 7 is 7. 8. 8 is 8. 9 is 9. 10 is 10. So we can start from the easier ones, since Lego is not that flexible like Play-Dohs. So we are going to make a 1. This is super easy. We can find piece of straight Lego and a stick on there, and that's a 1. It's E. So the first one is E is 1. The second one we're going to work on is R. It's 2. R is 2. And we're going to find 2 different lengths. Do you see this? 2 is different length. So 2 pieces of Lego is different length. And this one is R, means 2. So over here it's R. This one is E, and this one is R. R is a 2, right? And next one is super easy. It's San. San is a 3. Let's see if we can 3 different lengths of Lego pieces we can use over here. This is all the same. Okay, you can use this long one, medium one, and this one. The middle one would be shorter. Let's find this one is the middle one. So let's do it together. The first one is line first of the sun is 1 stroke, second stroke, and last stroke. This is a little bit hard to see. Let me see if we can use this one. Short. Okay. Oh, we can build 2 of them together. We can do brown and brown. How about that? That's a 3. Okay, this is a 3. Okay, E, R, San is a 1, 2, and 3. Next word is a little bit hard. This is 4. 4 means 4. Let me see how many strokes we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 strokes, so that will find a lot of pieces. The same length. This 2. Let me try this 2. Start with this 2. So 4. We have. Let's do a square first. Let's plan a square. So make sure they're the same length. And inside. So that's just outside of square of the 4, and then to fill inside. And we have going down, turn, and also do sideways. See if we can do sideways. Okay. And then we'll only do this one. Here. And give the line back here. So this is 4 is 4. Right, 4 is 4. It took me a while to figure out how to build it, because I know how to write these words since I was little, but when I really to build them with Legos really take me to think, how could I make it happen? It's really hands, eyes, brain, like all coordination work together to make sure I make this word right. It's really make a deep dent in your kid's brain how to write a 4 in Chinese. Okay, so let's do next one. It's 5. 5 is a little bit challenge. Let's see if we have enough Lego pieces. We should. Okay, so this is 5. Do you see the top line, middle line, and last line? Which line is longest? The bottom line is longest, right? We have to plan ahead. Short, medium, and long. Okay, so we have to go get a short line on the top. We'll do the short line on top. So 4, and that's next one, 5. And then this is, I will do second one. 5. So a line going down, a line cross. I'll use a brown. And a line come all the way down here. Let's see, this brown is long enough. And then we need one more little brown down here. See this one? It's 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can build all you want. And from all the Legos, you really need to, the kids really need to know how this character, how the structure of this character, to build this character. And also when they try to write it down by themselves, they will say, oh, when I build Lego, I use 3 pieces of a different length to write it, and then there's 2 more on the middle, 1 in the middle and 1 on the side. So it really helps for the kid to learn by doing.
Hi, my name is Alan. Hi, my name is Thomas.
Today we are going to use Lego to build our Chinese characters. So the first one we have over here, 这是什么？ 3. 3 is a 3. 3 and 3. How about this one?
4.
5 is a 5. How about this one? 这是什么？ 8 is a 8. 8 is 8. How about this one?
Like sheep.
E. This is E. It's a 1. How about this one? 这是什么？
2. 3.
9. 9 is a 9. 9. How about this one? 10. 10 is a 10. This one?
60.
Leo. Leo is a 6. How about this one?
Oh, so close. 10. 9.
4 is a 4. How about this one?
10.
7 is a 7. 7. How about this one?
2.
R. Yeah, 2. R is a 2. Very good. So which word do you want to choose? You can choose a word to try to build with Lego pieces.
4. I want 8.
You're 4? Okay,
I
you want 8. What is 4? 4. 对，这是4。8. 什么是 8? 8.
Okay, now I'm done. You have to start all over again.
8. Okay, good job. That's a pretty good 8. Okay, good job. 8. And then can you try different words?
1.
Okay.
1. Oh, wait. I want 4.
4. Okay, you guys can share. We have 4.
Mommy, I'm done with it. It's really hard.
Hey, that's how you make a 4. Can you try to make a 4?
It looks really hard.
Can you try? Can you try? I think this one we can use. This one is the first line. Can we do the first line on the top? Can you do the first line on top?
Where's the? Oh, that's my brown. The other brown. Do it.
Can do 4. Oh, very good. You did it. Look at that. 4. Ah, very good.
Wait. Not like that. Only these pieces.
Okay.
this?
Mm-hmm.
It's gonna break.
Don't break it.
Mommy, watch.
Okay, don't break it, please.
That will stay together. It will make it stay together. This one will, watch.
Can you make a floor, please?
Yeah. Oh. This is really hard, guys. Okay, now I'm done. I know it's not that good, but it worked great.